In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect instantly with Huddles in Slack. If you've ever needed a quick, no-fuss way to talk through something without scheduling a meeting, Huddles are perfect. They're lightweight audio conversations that live right inside your Slack workspace, so you can jump in, chat for a moment, and get back to work fast. Here's how it works. First, open the channel or direct message where you want to start the call. Think of this as choosing the conversation that needs a quick voice touch. If it's a team topic, open the relevant channel. If it's a one-on-one or small group decision, open the corresponding DM thread. Taking a second to pick the right place helps everyone know the context of the call and keeps your workspace tidy. If you have lots of channels, use the search bar to find the exact one you need, and make sure you're in the correct workspace if you use more than one. Once you're in that channel or DM, look to the top right and select the Huddle option. Depending on your Slack version, you might see a small headphones icon or a toggle labeled For Huddles. The moment you select it, Slack opens a compact audio space for that conversation. You'll see a small control panel appear, your profile will show as active, and the channel or DM will indicate that a huddle is live. Teammates in that conversation can join instantly, no meeting link required. And there you go. That's truly all you need to start a huddle. The whole idea is speed and simplicity. You're already in the right place, so starting a quick call takes just a second, and everyone who needs to be there is already part of the conversation. A few tips to make it smoother. Using a headset or dedicated microphone usually gives clearer audio and reduces background noise. If you don't see the huddle option, your workspace might have disabled it, or you may need to update your Slack app. Checking your app version often resolves display issues. Also, be mindful of your surroundings in shared spaces so your teammates hear you clearly. When you're finished, ending the huddle brings everyone back to the channel flow without extra steps or follow-up links. To recap, open the channel or DM where the discussion belongs, then select the huddle control in the top right. That's it. With this tiny move, you can switch from typing to talking, solve problems faster, and keep work moving. Try it the next time a thread starts growing long. One quick huddle can save a dozen messages.